Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech free testosterone ELISA test kit. I'll just go around. See the bottom, you can see the top. Here it is. It's Calbiotech free testosterone ELISA test kit. You can see the reference part number, lot number. You get the manufacturing date, the expiry date, NS6 test, a temperature range of 2 to 8, and the key contents inside the box. This is a CE IVD certified product and manufactured in the US. Here are the complete details. I'll just go around. I'll just open this box for you. Inside the box you can see there is one IFE brochure. Here you can see it says Calbiotech free testosterone ELISA test kit. The Calbiotech free testosterone ELISA test kit is intended for the measurement of free testosterone in serum or plasma. This IFE brochure contains, it also talks about the key contents inside the box. You can see this here. This IFE brochure contains, it just talks about the principle and your assay procedure and assay principle and how do you interpret your results and all the limitations of the test. You get the complete details here for completing your test. Just keeping it here. And then you have get a certificate of analysis. There will be a certificate of analysis. Here it is. Certificate of analysis. You see the catalog number here. And it says free testosterone ELISA with the lot number. And the key contents inside, you can see that there is one 96 well plate microwells coated with goat anti-rabbit IgG and free testosterone standard 126, an enzyme conjugate and rabbit anti-testosterone reagent, TMB substrate 1 bottle, stop solution 1 bottle, and wash concentrate 20x 1 bottle. Just this is how the certificate of analysis looks like. I'll just keep this here. And further we go inside, you can see that 96 well plate. This is the 96 well plate. You can see micro wells coated with goat anti-rabbit IgG. You can see this here. Okay, you can see this here. Okay. Inside you can see the solutions. I'll just take you and one by one I can tell you what it is. You can see this is wash concentrate 20x 25 ml bottle. Putting it back. There is enzyme conjugate 7 ml bottle. There is one blue color rabbit anti-testosterone 7 ml bottle, and there is TMB substrate 12 ml bottle, and there is stop solution 12 ml bottle, and you get see this free testosterone standard 1. You can see this here. See this here, 2, and then you get the third one, 3, you get the fourth one, and 4, Okay, the fifth one, free testosterone standard 5, and there is standard 6. Get the complete list. Just quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Calbiotech free testosterone ELISA test kit, and in each test kit you get one IFU brochure, one certificate of analysis, and 96 well plate, and all the solutions. The free testosterone standard 1 to 6, and you get enzyme conjugate, rapid anti-testosterone reagent, and then you have the TMB substrate 1 bottle, stop solution 1 bottle, and wash constant 1 bottle. And this is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you.